Y en una 454 por San Luis Río Colorado seguido me ven llegar. Cuando él se hace en el trabajo para tirar el relajo, enamorada.
What is up, guys? Welcome to Camionetas Empolvadas. Today we're here with the legend, the classic itself, the 454 SS. Today we're here on a nice, beautiful, sunny day. A bit windy, but that's okay. You have no problem with that. We're here with both trucks, as you guys saw. The brand new 2021 CR Denali. That is really nice. And compared to this truck, it's two very different lanes. But that one's kind of like the futuristic one, and this one's kind of like the brand classic one. And here today I'm guys showing you my sound system for the truck, and it's an amazing sound system. We did it all ourselves, from the wiring to the harnessing of the speakers. You can see we got a splitter and the big one and the subwoofer back here. Now guys, let you take a listen.
Y en ese momento te quiero besar, porque la verdad es que me tienes tan enamorado. Soy tan feliz de tenerte a mi lado, solo con verte me hace suspirar. Eres lo mejor que me ha pasado, por Dios te lo juro. Solo en tus brazos me siento seguro, y con el tiempo nada va a cambiar, porque con tu amor toda la vida me quiero quedar.
Spectacular sound system. I really love it. Like I said, we did this, me and my dad and my brother, we did this all together. We did everything. We did not get any help with anything. We ordered everything from online, eBay, Amazon. The actual box for the speaker, for the subwoofers, we actually made them ourselves here. And we just YouTubed it basically, or just went off what we knew and then mashed it. Because normally we get like the box speakers, it's like that black we have it red, matching with the rest of the interior of the truck. As you see over there, we have it all red. And the reason we did that was so it would look nicer, and it does look nicer. It looks more color match. As you can see, it doesn't pop out. Guys, we got both the trucks out here. I grabbed one and then my dad grabbed the other one. This is the 2021 GMC CR Denali. We got multiple videos on this. I'll link in the description below the YouTube video where we actually filmed when we bought this truck at a dealer. Brand new 2021. We bought it back in November of 2020. And then here we have the 454 SS. Like I said, it's a real nice truck. I love. So besides the sound system, we haven't really done anything to the truck. We actually have some what's it called, US mags on the truck. It has like a little gray vibe, and then with the chrome, and as you can see, the back side is wider than the front side. The front side's a bit wide, but the back side's wider. As you can see, my whole fan fit hits over there, and then here only like half of my hand or all my fingers fit. So you can see it's not all just chrome, and then we added these little parts to make it look nicer. As you can see, US mags. It has like this gray color that kind of goes with the rest of the truck, as I said, the 454 SS logo. Then we have our channels decal, which I haven't mentioned. If you guys have made it this far into the video, make sure you like, comment, and above all, subscribe, because we have a lot of big things coming. As you can see, we got a 454 SS. We just got a brand new GMC Denali 2021, before it was even 2021. So we have a lot of things planned. As you can see, a couple of weeks ago I also did a Yamaha Raptor 700R video, which you guys saw kind of like the first time on film I ever wrote it. You guys subscribe, because we have a lot of big things coming. We want to do a lot of things when we reach a certain amount of subscribers. And you know, we're not gonna be that kind of selfish like some other YouTubers, or we're not gonna be selfish in general. We want to give back to you guys and do giveaways, you know, and whatever we can do to give back to you guys, because you subscribed and you watch our videos weekly or whenever we post. Because we live in the city, and the thing about the city is that it snows a lot. So during the winter time we can't really film a lot, because A, we don't go out a lot, and B, it's just the streets are filthy nasty. And then with the snow, as you can see, this is a 1990s truck, has no salt whatsoever. That's why we actually ended up getting this truck, because it had no salt whatsoever. You can check from the bottom, check the top, literally like factory, except for obviously the rims. So let me hop in the ride. As you can see, there we go. Okay. You see, as you guys can see, pretty much the same thing as other year trucks, except this one's red inside. I'm pretty sure they made some, I'm sure they made some other ones with the red interior, but this actually has like the sport seats. As you can see, other trucks, when they have the red interior, I've seen that they have the 3-seater, which is actually just a seat, like just one seat, but it fits 3 people. And here we have the 2 seats right here. We don't have the one in the middle. We have the center console right here that we store stuff inside. You know, overall, just, you know, it's one of those, this truck was one of those trucks that you never really knew about, because, you know, I've just recently got into the truck scene. I've been kind of always, because of my dad, I've been growing up around trucks and a lot of cars, but I never was 100% into it. I would just always help him in the ways that I could. But once I saw this truck in a show, I actually fell in love with it. It had the sport hood that's basically like, this part is like lifted up, and I just really like that hood. I feel like it's nice. It does take off of like the way you see through the windshield, but it's worth like the look for it. We actually have it, we got it, but we need to get it painted. We need to get it painted, because right now it's just a matte, it's black, but it's a matte black finish, so we need to take that to go get done. We'll probably film that for you guys. You know, overall, just, you know, it's one of those, this truck was one of those trucks that you never really knew about, because, you know, I've just recently got into the truck scene. I've been kind of always, because of my dad, I've been growing up around trucks and a lot of cars, but I never was 100% into it. I would just always help him in the ways that I could. But once I saw this truck in a show, I actually fell in love with it. It had the sport hood that's basically like, this part is like lifted up, and I just really like that hood. I feel like it's nice. It does take off of like the way you see through the windshield, but it's worth like the look for it. We actually have it, we got it, but we need to get it painted. We need to get it painted because right now it's just a matte. It's black, but it's a matte black finish. So we need to take that to go get done. We'll probably film that for you guys as well. Stop it. No. What else? The speakers on the sides. Oh yeah. Ready? You filming alright? Yeah. And the main thing I get asked about when we take this truck to the shows is the speakers on the sides. As you can see, these, if you Google it, or if you guys know, you know that the 90s trucks, these trucks in specific, did not come with side speakers like today's trucks. They actually came with these little speakers up here, which still work. We haven't even messed with those. They work perfectly. But these, as you can see, we did the mold for the speakers and the Twitter. This is actually not, a lot of people say it's, ask me if it's, what do you call it? Fiber, because a lot of people do it fiber, but you guys can't touch it, but if you can see me touching it, it's not fiber, it's actually just leather that we did. You see perfect mold for a pair of Twitters, one right here and the other one on the other side. Pretty neat. Alright guys, and enough talk about like spreading all the things out. So I'm gonna tell you guys what we done to the truck. So in the center we got the radio. As you can see, it's not the original radio, it's a Pioneer that flips up the screen. It is, you guys see there the model. I used to know it, but it's been time since we've actually done this. So I mean, actually put it on. It's been a couple of years, so I kind of forgot the name of it. So we had that. We have our basics down here for the subwoofers. We had the audio control over here, as you guys can see right here. We installed those, and then like I said earlier, we have the door panels with the speakers and the Twitters. Up here we have another speakers, and then back here is the main thing that I kind of like, which is the matching subwoofer box. You can see it's red. We tried to color match it as much as we could, and I think we did pretty good in the way we tried to color match it, because we didn't want to do it black because it just doesn't go with the flow of the truck. Yes, it has like a few little red black accents, but I feel like it just looks nicer like this, where it looks more sleek. It doesn't pop up like if it was like a black box and a red interior. It would look kind of weird. It's just a really nice truck in my opinion. I like the classic look it has, but also the very exclusivity it has. There's not many left of these. I've seen a couple that are really beat up. There's actually a lot of clones you have to be careful for. If you guys want to buy one of these trucks, they're very heavily cloned. When searching for this truck, we saw a lot of clones. I mean, kind of thought of getting one, but we thought we would pay. It was a clone cost the same amount as one of these would cost, because you know there's more work into it. This is just because it's a 454, and the others is because it's a clone of the 454, and whoever did it had put a lot of money into putting the motor, putting all the little specs that the 454 has. And the thing about me, guys, is that yeah, like new 2021 GMC Sierra Denali is nice and everything, but in my opinion, I'd rather have like a truck like this, because I like the raw feeling. Like that truck, yeah, it has like it's loud. I'm not gonna diss it. It's pretty loud, but this truck just feels more raw. Like that truck, it's nice. Like it's nice to drive. It feels very comfortable. But this truck is just raw to drive. It's fun to drive because of like the sound and everything. Like it's just classic. I love the feeling that an old truck or any kind of vehicle gives you when it's like, I don't know, it gives you like a different vibe than something from like a new 2021 GMC Sierra would give you. As you can see, it's pretty clean. We actually cleaned it this morning, right? This morning we cleaned it this morning. We cleaned that puppy up the other day. No, yesterday we cleaned that puppy up. So we got them both ready for a video for you guys. So show your boy some love and make sure you guys subscribe, because if you do, we'll be doing more and more videos every week. As you can see right now, I'm uploading one video a week. But if you know my YouTube keeps getting better and better as you guys show more love and support, you know, I'll probably be making more and more videos, just because it's addicting. I would say it's addicting because I don't know, like, it's cool. Like, I never thought people would actually want to see like videos like this, and you guys apparently do. So I want to thank you guys for that. All right, guys, we're gonna change the battery in this thing porque ya tenemos todo el día aquí y pues ya se acabó esta batería. Pero tenemos la suerte que compramos otra batería para esta cámara. Está en esta bolsa. Cambiaré la batería a la cámara. GoPro. It was actually really amazing that these small cameras can film such a good quality, because you know, you see big old cameras and they can barely shoot like 1080p, and these little cameras can shoot, you know, 4K quality, and it's not like booty quality, like it's spectacular quality. That's why the main reason I got these cameras is, one, they're very, very high quality cameras. I've never had a problem with this one. I've had it since what, December, right? December. As you can see, guys, we have camera George. Say hi to the camera, George. What's up? He's my brother. He's the one that helps me film all the videos for you guys. Never cries about it.
Let me borrow a screwdriver.
Yeah, that's why I kind of selected this camera over any other cameras, because mainly for like the stuff we do, like I want a camera that I don't have to worry about 24/7 or be careful with, or have like a really bulky setup. You know, this has a setup, as you can see. It's a GoPro, and then the media mod that allows us to have like a little bit of a better mic, which means better audio for you guys. So that's extra money we spent. As you can see, took out the old battery. These are batteries rechargeable. This is another reason why I love these cameras. Some other cameras I was looking at did not let me do this. So if I, let's say, just right now this camera died, I don't have to cry about it or worry or film on my phone and take down the quality to 1080p, which is HD quality, which is still good. But why film in 1080p when you can film your whole video in 4K, which is even better for your audience, you know, and it's more pleasant to the eyes. So you see, guys, 100% battery. So right now we'll jump you guys to this camera in a few seconds, because this is a better camera, and especially because the audio, it's a bit of better audio. So see you on this camera. All right, cameraman George, hold that. You guys, we have a very, very, very good pair of trucks here. We have the 454 SS and the 2021 GMC Denali, both matching, as you can see, both black. Favorite color to have on a truck. Mi favorito color de tener en una troca. Se ve muy elegante. All right, guys, that's it for this week's video. Thank you for watching, and if you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, and above all, subscribe. See you on the next one.